Why did he need to have all those people stripped naked? Look at Keith's back, it's completely black. A little bit bigger than our 79 series, just a tiny bit.
Bonjour and welcome back to 4x4 Explore. This is me, and here's my husband Keith. We enjoy traveling around Australia in our Toyota 79 series fitted with a Tommy camper. Join us on our journey, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So it is quite early in the morning, the sun is still not up yet, but the flies are here already. So we're just taking the opportunity that it's still fairly cool in the day, because yesterday it reached 40 degrees. So we're going to go and look at those sculptures which are on the Lake Ballard. From the top of this little mount, we can see the 51 statues which have been erected. Those statues have been created by an English artist. I can't recall his name. I'll write the name on the screen. He's quite a famous British artist, and he was commissioned to create all those statues on Lake Ballard, and he spent a bit of time in Menzies trying to convince 51 inhabitants from Menzies to strip naked to become the model for all of those statues. So I think there's only 2 bypassers who are part of those, but otherwise those are all people from Menzies, and I think they're still alive. So it's quite a contemporary art here. And his vision was that as you stand at the top here or fly by plane, you see all that web of tracks made by people going to just see all those different statues. So they're really scattered all around the Lake Ballard. Now to show you how wicked the flies are. Look at Keith's back, it's completely black. Black with flies. Something I don't understand at all is why did he need to have all those people stripped naked, to use them as models to make those statues, because those statues don't look nothing like a normal human, right? We are at Ullarig Rock, which is quite a large rock formation. The significance here is that a group of explorers, which was led by Gills, found this rock here and thought, this is a very nice oasis to stop by. But they got under attack by quite a large group of Aborigines. Gills managed to overcome the Aborigines, and there was a big battle here. It's quite a nice rock, so I think I'm going to go to the top, and so we can have a look at the view here, and I think after that we are going to have a bit of a breakfast. All right, let's go to the top.
I have planned my trek using Explorer's Traveler app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description. It will help you plan your trips, and it will support our channel.
Good morning. We are in Kalgoorlie, and today we are going to visit the Super Pit, which is a massive gold mine actually in the Boulder side of Kalgoorlie Boulder town. This mine is huge. I think it's 3 kilometers long by 1 kilometer wide by nearly 1 kilometer deep, I think, maybe 600 meters deep. And it's still producing a fair bit of gold. I can't remember offhand the figure, I'll put it on the screen. But it is massive, so I'm super excited. We're going to go on a tour. We're going to go right inside the mine, and we are going to probably see a lot of huge machineries and all those nerdy stuff. So yes, let's go, come with us, and I think it's going to be a very fun tour. I'm quite excited to go in it. We look cool, we look cool. Wow. So that's it, we've been to see the Super Pit. Very, very interesting. Have you seen the size of this mine? It's absolutely mind-blowing at all, and looking at all those big, huge trucks next to those tiny little Toyota Land Cruiser. That was very, very interesting. The tour itself is, I felt, a little bit expensive, at $70 per person, but that gave us entrance into the mine itself, so it was still fairly interesting. We are now driving through Kalgoorlie's town centre. Look at the wide main street and those stunning heritage buildings, like the impressive courthouse. Kalgoorlie Boulder was founded in 1893 during one of Australia's greatest gold rush. Today it's home to around 30,000 people. Mining is still the town's lifeblood, powering a billion-dollar industry that has shaped its identity for over 130 years. Now we are on our way to the Museum of the Goldfields. Let's go and check it out. This is a big, big shaft to go down into the mine. Are going to the top of the shaft. You can see the Super Pit that we visited yesterday. This is a nice view from Kalgoorlie. Next up is Annan's North Tourist Mine. I've heard so many great things about this place. It's full of history and fascinating stories from Kalgoorlie Gold Rush days. Let's go and check it out. Go on, Keith, go to work, go and earn some money. Go and drive the big truck. This is unreal.
Look at this. It's insane. Oh my goodness. All right then. These machines are absolutely insane. So just one of those tires is $80,000.
How many?
80,000? Look at this guy here. Oh, Michelin tire, very good. Good French stuff. Look at that. It only goes at 10 kilometers per hour, right?
They're capable of 50 k's an hour.
50k top speed.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when they're fully loaded, they only go up the
Yeah, 10 k's an hour.
up the ramp 10k an hour.
It's a long way to that mirror.
Bloody hell, yeah.
Size of this mirror.
Yeah. Now this is a little bit bigger than our 79 series, just a tiny bit. Big machine, eh? We need to load this big truck there. Ooh, this is so much fun. It's big though, isn't it? Have you found any gold yet?
Well, I can say I am absolutely mined out. So we've done the Super Pit, then we visited the Museum of Goldfield, and then to finish off we went to the Anans North tourist mine. Awesome, we had such a good time. Super Pit was very interesting. They took us inside the mine itself. Very interesting to see all those really big trucks just going down the mine. It's just like a big ant's nest. Very interesting to see. Then we went to the Museum of the Goldfield, which is free entry, just gold coin donation. Quite a lot of interesting stuff there. There's a vault with one of the first gold bullion there on display, which is quite interesting, and all the different type of gold that you can find here in Kalgoorlie. And finally, the best, if there's one that you don't want to miss, is the Anans North tourist mine. We had a ball there, so much to see, all the equipment, all the history. It's only $18 entry fee per person. I do recommend you give it a go. Do that one because it's very interesting to see. We are now going to start making our way south again. So if you like this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Catch you later.